Hey guys, I get a lot of questions asking how do I find property. So check this out. I'm going to meet a student of mine at a rehab, and it's up the street. According to my GPS, I'm about half a mile away from the property, and then I'm driving along and I see this house right over here. And the first thing that comes to my attention is I remember being on the street about a year ago and this house was for sale, and it's still for sale. And so I look at it and I see the lockbox on the door, which I don't know if you can see that there, and then I see the for sale sign over here. And as you can see on that for sale sign, it says homepath.com, and that means that it's a Fannie Mae property. So now all I need to do is take down the address of this property, 104, look at my GPS, Beach, and now I'm going to go on homepath.com, type in 104 Beach Avenue, and throw a bid on this property. And if you are a realtor, if you happen to know the Fannie Mae key code to get into the properties, then it's not difficult to just walk in and take a look and get a general idea of the condition of the house, right? So how to find deals, they're out there. You just have to look for them. Driving around really will help you a lot because you'll see stuff like this. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.